ready to transform your dull Instagram feed into a scroll-stopping masterpiece. Today, we're diving into Nano Banana, the iPod's secret weapon that will get you more followers and likes. Let's get started. First, open Nano Banana and select the Instagram post you want to revamp. I am selecting a photo of my coffee here. You'll see a range of editing tools. Start by playing with the basics: brightness, contrast, and saturation. A slight boost can make a huge difference. Next, explore the filters. Nano Banana has tons of options to give your photo a unique vibe. I'm going to choose one that enhances the warm tones in my coffee. Now for the magic. Tap the AI Enhance button. Nano Banana's AI will analyze your photo and automatically adjust the settings for optimal visual appeal. See something distracting in the background? Use the object removal or background blur tool to keep the focus on your subject. Don't forget to adjust sharpness and clarity. This can make your photo pop and look more professional. Once you're happy with your edits, save your photo and share it directly to Instagram. Add a catchy caption and relevant hashtags. And there you have it. A dull photo transformed into an eye-catching post in just a few simple steps with Nano Banana. Start using Nano Banana today and watch your Instagram engagement skyrocket. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks.